Hey guys, it's Matt. It is Tuesday, February 27th, 2024. Let's run through some things quick, shall we? Let's see what the market did. So, SPY, kind of a little bounce day there. Q, sort of the same. IWM had a good day, right? Little gap up and go. So that's good for small caps, mid caps. Also, we're hitting, I believe it hit all-time highs there, right? Is what that says. So, um, yeah, that's nice. Can't not gonna complain about all-time highs, right? I'm not gonna go through all of these. Actually, maybe we'll just take a quick peek at these. I like to run through these at the end of the day. I won't really say much about them, but just to kind of look at all the sectors and see where we're at. Yeah. Okay. And then oh no, I just did something wrong there. Okay. So this is the dollar futures index. So you can see kind of just shopping around, moving sideways recently, and then kind of same for the yield, right? The 10-year yield just moving sideways. So, anywho, uh, we're sort of chopping around, right? Although we're chopping around with the SPY, Qs, and IWM and MDY all near highs. So, we can't complain about that. There's still definitely some strength in the market here, although it's a little it's a little split, right? We had some companies had some crappy earnings the past couple weeks, and you got the big guys like Apple and uh, right, they're not having such a great time. Tesla has been not having such a great time for a while, right? But then you've got your Nvidias and I don't know who else is doing well. Meta, right? Netflix is doing well, even though they were supposed to die like 3 years ago, right, or something like that. So yeah, I don't know. So things are going well. There's a lot of strength here. Let's see the positions I'm in. So I'm still in TPX. Um, from back here, this thing is at like 4R now, so that's nice. I took some off at 1R as always. I took some more off around 3R, I think, today, and then holding the rest um, for to see what happens in the future here, right? So hopefully we get some more run there. It might chop around for a little bit for in between, but we'll ride it out. And then I'm in coin since yesterday. This is a nice play, although it kind of it pulled back today, but was up around 3R at some point. I did take some off up here around 3R today, but holding the rest, and I'll probably, depending where we open tomorrow, I'll move my stop up. I mean, this could technically gap down to 1R or something, right? But we'll see where it ends up. So then GCT, I took a shot at this one this morning, and it kind of just ended up flat at the end of the day. So I took half off at the end of the day for like a very, very small profit. You can see I got in there at the break of around yesterday's high, and so uh, took half off just because gap down risk, and I don't have a lot of cushion there. So let's not chance anything. I do still like it. I mean, you can see the lower or the higher lows here, and then nice tight consolidation here. So depending what I see tomorrow, I might add that half back in and see where it goes. It all depends where it opens and what it does from there. I also took a shot at TSM and got out. So I got out of this around a 0.5R loss. I just didn't like the action. If you look at the 5 minute chart, it um, shot up, broke that high. I was like, okay, here we go. This thing's going to take off. But I was looking at the other kind of the other names in the sector there, and and nothing was really happening. And then this rolled over, and I got out somewhere in this candle right here. In fact, I thought, oh shit, I got out and it bounced, and I was like, here it's gonna go. It's gonna climb back, but it didn't. So good stop out because rather than taking a whole 1R loss, I only took zero point 0.5. So I'll take that. It was a good read. Got to give myself credit where it's due. I also jumped in on Lyft this morning. This was a bit of a late entry because I missed the initial pop here, which you can see I kind of got in a little high even, but I missed that initial run. There was just quite a bit going on my watch list, at least this morning. But popped up, took 1 hour, and then it came out and stopped me up break even because I'd moved my stop. So I'm okay with that. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Again, this is one that I could possibly see re-entering, but I'm not convinced that this is just going to kind of rip back to recent highs here. So we'll keep an eye on it. I'm agnostic as I try to be. You don't really know where it's going to go. I don't really know where it's going to go, but yeah, I'm not sure what's going to happen. Anyway, I think that's it, guys. Oh, do I need to show you TPX? Did I do that one yet? I can't remember. I think I did. Yeah. Yeah, I showed you this one. All right. So anyway, that was the trades for today, and we'll see you back here tomorrow, and we'll take it from there.